In order to do a very good science fair project, you must have the following titles in your project. Number one, the title. For the title, it should be a very, very exciting title that makes the person that reads your project, it should be very eye-catching. Next, it should have a question, a curious question that you want to figure out to complete your science project. Then it should have a hypothesis. Now, hypothesis is a fancy word for a guess. And when you do a hypothesis, you guess before doing the experiment. Then you have a purpose. And the purpose says, why am I doing this experiment? And you always want to make sure that when you write your purpose, you write the purpose is whatever the purpose is. Then you need materials. Materials are the items you need to do the experiment. Self-explanatory. Now here's a very important one as well. Procedure. The procedure is a clear step-by-step instructions to do the experiment, because you might want someone to do the experiment on their own, and if your instructions are very clear, they will be able to successfully perform the experiment. The next word is data, which is where all your graphs are that relate to your experiment. The results is another key title, and that says what happened during the experiment. And this is when you check to see if your hypothesis was correct. The next word is problem. Now we know some science experiments have problems. So you want to list what problems occurred that may have affected your project. And the last one is conclusion. And during the conclusion part of the science fair project, it says, what did you learn from doing the experiment? These are the most popular titles in all science fair projects. So we're going to apply these terms in our little project that we're going to do, which is, which liquid makes grass seeds grow? That's my title. Let's have some fun.